All right, Chris, your masterpiece is complete.
Yes.
How do you think it turned out?
I think it turned out great. The combination of the matte and black looks, you know, it's timeless. It looks awesome.
You achieved exactly what I was struggling with, which is how do I tie in the gloss grill with the rest of the matte body parts, and then also, you know, I've got this matte black here in the overclock. So yeah. I think it came together perfectly. I couldn't ask for a better outcome. So yeah, this thing looks awesome. Yeah. So thank you very much for that.
No problem.
Tell those people where they can find you, because he does more than wraps hood scoops. He does entire vehicles, or pretty much whatever you want to wrap. So how do they find you?
You can find me on Instagram at RadWrapsMD or Facebook RadWrapsMD2. Most of my content comes on Instagram, so more of the day-to-day type stuff. And as Chris mentioned, we do a lot more than just hood scoops. We do wrap cars, and the good guys here at Detail Solutions, they do a great job at all the other polishing, coating, ceramic coatings, and daily cleanups like that. So
can they get this GoPro ring out of my hood, you think?
Yeah, absolutely.
I may have to come back. I may be back. Anyway, guys, if you're within, like, I don't know, 1,700 miles of Maryland, this is where you want to come to have your vehicle wrapped. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.